Hey guys, we're back with another video, and today I wanted to cover some trades that I took and also go over my metrics. How close am I to passing this account, and what am I doing to be able to pass this account? Now, what we're looking at is a 150K Rise Challenge with Legacy Funded Futures, and let's get straight into it. We have this beautiful dashboard in front of us. It's going to show us what our consistency is, what our trade win percentage is, what our losses to our wins are, and first things first. Let's see where we started out when we're at right now. Started at 150K, we've slowly rose to 155K. Our profit target is going to be the 159 target, so 9K in profit, we're up 5K. So getting really close to that. Something I want to mention is all of these trades that I've taken are going to be on live. You guys could have taken these trades. You guys could be just as close as me to passing another 150K if you guys just follow the trades. Now going down below, let's see what our metrics are. So far our trade win percentage is 67%. That's pretty good. 7 out of our 10 trades are going to be wins, and our wins to loss ratio, it doesn't quite show it right here because it seems to be pretty large, but our wins are substantially larger than our losers. If we go down below, you could actually see each individual trade. So the last 5 trades have been wins, some break even, small loss right here, some more wins. But something you're going to notice if you pause, look at these wins, they're substantially bigger than our losses. So even if I do take a loss, I'm going to make that back. Say I take 3 losses, I'm going to make that back within just one winning trade. And that's what's important. That's super important that you're able to keep those losers small. And also, you don't want to be over trading. When you guys see me on live, I'm only taking maybe 1 or 2 trades. Sometimes I don't even take a trade because there's no high probability setup. And that's what you guys need to focus on, is having that consistency. But now that I showed you guys my metrics, how we're doing on the accounts, I want to show you guys the trades that got me to this point. Now, the first trade that I want to show you guys is going to be on YM. If we scroll back right over here. So what was I looking at this morning? Why did we take this trade? What was planned? So coming into the day, we had delivered very bullishly off of the higher time frame. And if we scroll down, higher, we're going to have some of these larger fair value gaps right here that are obviously bullish. They're holding it on price. You can see clear respect. Price continues to just respect these levels. If we scroll down here, we even have more fair value gaps. But it's very obvious we have a ton of targets in here. We have this high accompanied by some more highs in here. So coming into the day, we're going to be bullish. Now, particularly, what was I looking at? Well, when I started trading, we are already up in this area. So we're already kind of in a premium, some targets are getting taken out. But what's left? What's left to target? I noticed that we have some highs up here. Some beautiful untouched highs. We're very obviously going to trade to those at some point. We just have to figure out when. I saw a retracement right here on the 5-minute. I knew this was a good area for us to go long just because it's a discounted area. If we're trying to get long up here, where is our risk to reward ratio? You're not able to actually justify taking a trade if you're in such a premium. Whereas if I'm taking a trade in here, then it's gonna give us some RR, okay? So what did I do from here? I simply waited for that respect. We also had a sweep. So as soon as we started respecting this 5-minute, I was in right here on this candle, stop down here, and then I'm aiming for some of these highs. And that's it. I'm looking for a simple 1 to 2. There's no reason to want to be short. Why? because we kept sweeping out lows and respecting bullish PD arrays. Kept sweeping out lows and then respecting bullish PD arrays. It's just a constant. And so we're able to enter right there, having about a 1 to 2 RR. Now let's go into the next trade. Now scrolling onto our other chart, I actually took this on some other funded accounts. So let's see what this trade was. MNQ, what was I looking for? I was very bullish on the day, and I'll show you here why. So coming into the open, we actually traded down lower, taking out some of these lows alongside respecting some bullish PD arrays. And of course, like, we're going to trade down and we're not going to know if it's going to respect yet, but we have to see how price develops. So coming down, you can see we immediately have some bullish presence right here. And then what do we have? A lower time frame fair value gap. We're able to enter off of here. As soon as I see some willingness to pull off of it, I enter right about here. Pretty tight stop, 20 points. That's going to give us amazing RR. And then I'm just aiming for some of these highs in here. Now that's going to be a 1 to 4. What other targets did we have though? So this is what I was primarily aiming for, which is going to be a weekly high. I'm going to zoom out a little bit so you guys could see it better. So that's our weekly high. And again, like, we never touched it. If you look right over here, price just comes right down below it. That's engineered highs. We're intentionally making those because we're going to come back to it. We're going to fake out anyone who wants to go short down here, and then we're just going to go long, right? So that's the best part about ICT. We're going to have a lot of fake out moves, but because we know where price is engineering liquidity, we know where to aim for and where price is going to deliver ultimately. But really awesome trade, very clean. Went straight to our target. And you can see it's kind of continued to grind up. So going from here, what do I expect? Well, we have some more targets. We're pushing all-time highs. Have some equal highs in here, and then ultimately this is our all-time high. So what I'm expecting is we're going to continue to make kind of this stair step effect where price comes up, makes a fair value gap or some type of gap, and then it's going to fill it and continue higher. And if we're able to catch these moves, then there's unlimited RR we could take out of this. We could take so much reward based on our risk that we can make however much we want. But if you guys liked the video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. You can use code Chris and you will get 15% off, or whatever the highest percentages there is. Sometimes we have a 25-30% sale going on, but you guys put that into the promo code section. You guys will get an account at a discounted price. Do you guys like this dashboard? I mean, this is what you guys are going to be using. Very clean. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.